Hey guys, today we are going to make Byenda Offals, African tripe Matumbo. We have very many names because it's an African delicacy and we love it so much. So I bring you this simple recipe. We are going to make wet fry Byenda. Yes, so please clean it nicely as you can see. Please remember guys not to pour the water that you've used to clean your tripe with in the sink. Please don't pour your water in the sink. You can carry it outside and pour it far from your compound to avoid any smell, or you can add it in your dog's food if you have dog's food. Yeah, you can use this water to cook your dog's food. Yeah, so I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of baking soda and some warm water and let this sit for at least 15 minutes to, wash it thoroughly. Yeah, so after this, please cut it into pieces, and please remember to, if you want bigger sizes, make sure you cut bigger parts, because this shrinks. It really shrinks. If you don't want to end up with very small pieces, make sure that when you're cutting your Byenda, your tripe, cut them in bigger sizes. But this is what I wanted, so yes, you add it in your saucepan. We are going to add in some bay leaves, some rosemary, some ginger, some garlic, as you can see. Now you're adding your salt according to what you have. I used 1.5 tablespoons. Yes, so you cover this and you cook for at least 1 hour on medium low heat, please. So here our Byenda, they are ready. They are soft. You know it's ready when you bite into it and it's really soft. Yeah. Now I'm going to fry this. You add your cooking oil in there, add in your onions, chopped onions in there, saute these, then add in your garlic. Yeah, please cook on medium heat. It helps cook things nicely. They don't get burnt. Yeah, so you add in all your ingredients there. You add in your green pepper, your carrot, your tomatoes. Now you cook this on a medium heat. So yes, we are going to add in our tripe in there, our Byenda in there. You mix it in there properly with the vegetables. Add in a tablespoon of tomato paste and a tablespoon of soy sauce. This is going to build up flavor. It's really nice, guys. Now I'm using my Janam spices. Remember, you can get the contacts of these spices in my description if you need them. They are really good. Yeah, so I used cumin, paprika, and nutmeg in there. Add in some stock from the tripe itself. Cover this and let it cook for at least 2 to 3 minutes. As you can see, our tripe is looking so yummy, guys. It's so yummy, so yummy. Add in a teaspoon of sugar, some coriander. Yes, and I'm also going to add in some royco in there. Now you mix this properly, guys. This is not going to take long. This is so yummy, guys. Please try it out. Come back for more recipes. tell me in the comments what you want to see next. Yes, thank you guys for watching. Ciao.